Delhi witnessed precision, power, and nerves of steel as over 100 shotgun shooters battled it out at the 3rd Precision Shotgun Showdown at Dr. Karni Singh Shooting Ranges in November first week. The competition reached world-class intensity with shooters posting exceptionally high qualification scores and leading the charge Shapath Bharadwaj, who delivered a near-perfect performance.
So it's an ongoing preparation phase. Obviously, the season is starting now. We are preparing for the nationals. We are preparing for the trials that will be coming next year for the Asian Games and the World Cups and World Championships. So everyone is in the preparation phase for all of those competitions. And to start here with the Shotgun Showdown, it's a good start because you get to shoot a competition with the best people around the country. And it always gives you a good benchmark to start training at and to start working with. I mean, you always have to shoot a lot of competitions if you want to compete at the top level. You need to keep on shooting, keep on training, keep on progressing, and to get an idea of where you are in your preparations, you have to shoot as many competitions as possible. In countries such as Italy, they have a competition every weekend, so competitions like these help a lot.
Shapath stunned the range, scoring 74 out of 75, dominating the qualification round. From here, the best 36 shooters advanced to semi-finals and the top 6 finalists battled for the crown.
I think it was a great experience for me. This is my first competition back to India after 7 years, so it was a great match. I'm very grateful to have won it, very lucky to have won it, and I'm really grateful to Vikram uncle for organizing this great competition, because I think we have very few competitions through the year where one can really participate if you've not been competing, if you're not part of the national team. So it was really nice to have a chance to gain some match exposure, and I think it was very well organized. I think it's really important to have competitions because we can train all we want, but that pressure that you get in a competition is something you can't kind of have in practice. Like a lot of us shoot 25s in practice, but when it comes to the match, you're shooting 20, 21. So you really need to go through a lot of competitions, and I think this competition for me especially was very, very helppful because being an international medalist, I'm not eligible to participate in Mavlankar's India Open. So for me, this was really helpful to have somewhere where phatni chahiye thodi competition mein. So I think this was a very, very good.
In a gripping finale, Shapath once again stood tall, scoring 44 out of 50 to claim the title, edging past Aryavansh Tyagi, who scored 42. Tournament organizer and Asian Games medalist Vikram Bhatnagar said, "This new format was designed to give every shooter equal opportunity, build competitive resilience and prepare them for the upcoming national championship."
हाँ जी, ये एक बहुत अच्छा नेशनल लेवल का प्रेस्टिजियस कंपटीशन था। इसमें आकर सभी एथलीट्स को, जो नए भी होते हैं और जो बिगिनर्स हैं, जो पुराने सीनियर शूटर्स हैं, उन सबको एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे आने का एक अच्छा मौका मिलता है। तो एक तरह से बहुत ही अच्छा, जो ऐसे प्राइवेट कॉम्पिटिशन्स होते हैं वो एक इन्हेंस करते हैं हमारे स्पोर्ट को, तो बहुत अच्छा था।
After all, I came back after 12 years, so it was very challenging for me. So at that time, our shooting was different, and this shooting is totally different. It's very challenging, and the more upcoming players are here, and the young players, I mean the juniors, are having a tough competitions with the seniors.
Medals and over 1 lakh in cash prizes were awarded along with hampers for the top 36 shooters, a celebration of precision, a test of nerves, a showcase of India's rising shooting talent.
I did my technical and physical training like I usually do, and I began my mental preparation a day before the competition so that I could get in my zone. And when I went into the round, it was like any other competition round for me. I took each shot one shot at a time, and I just kept on following my process till all the 75 shots were over.
At the precision shooting showdown, one thing was clear: India's shooters are aiming higher and hitting harder than ever before. Winners of the third Shotgun Showdown Challenge Tournament 2025 Trap Men event: Shapath Bharadwaj gold, Aryavansh Tyagi silver, Karan bronze. Trap Men Junior event: Digvijay Choudhary gold, Laksh Atri silver, Tavre Singh Sandhu bronze. Trap Master Men event: Afzal Ahmed gold, Vikram Bhatnagar silver, Indrajit Singh bronze. Trap Women event: Varsha Varman gold, Nandika Singh silver, Kiran bronze. Trap Women Junior event: Adya Katyal gold, Ananya Yaduvanshi silver, Dhriti Goyal bronze. Overall winners of the tournament and recipient of cash award: Shapath Bharadwaj rupees 50,000, Aryavansh Tyagi rupees 35,000 and Rohit Choudhary rupees 25,000. This inspired you? Like, share and subscribe Sportsmongers, your home for Indian sports stories that matter.